Hello, my lovely subscribers, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super intriguing. You know how your horoscope can tell you about your personality and compatibility with others? Well, did you know that your zodiac sign can also reveal which plants will be your perfect match? That's right. Every sign has its own element, which can determine how they behave and interact with those around them. And guess what? Plants have elements too, according to their water, air, earth, and fire requirements. So get ready to uncover the secret language between your astrological sign and the plant kingdom. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know which green companions will vibe with your cosmic energy. Whether you're a fiery Aries or a dreamy Pisces, we've got the inside scoop on which plants speak your language. Don't miss out on this chance to find your ideal plant match. Watch till the end and let's find your perfect green buddy. Born between March 21st and April 19th, Aries are known for their bold, energetic, and courageous nature. They're natural leaders, always ready to take charge and face new challenges. Just like a fire sign, Aries are passionate, enthusiastic, and never shy away from expressing themselves. Their adventurous spirit and competitive drive often lead them to excel in various activities. However, sometimes their impulsive nature might land them in trouble. Aries are action-oriented individuals who value independence and freedom. They thrive in environments where they can showcase their leadership skills and enjoy the thrill of competition. Now let's unveil the plant that aligns perfectly with Aries' fiery traits, the red aglaonema. This vibrant houseplant boasts striking red leaves edged in green, symbolizing the courage and dynamism of Aries. Not only does it complement their energetic nature, but it also suits their taste for bold, eye-catching aesthetics. Like Aries, the red aglaonema thrives in bright, indirect light and appreciates regular watering. Its hardiness and resilience mirror the determined spirit of Aries, making it an excellent choice for these spirited individuals. The red aglaonema's air-purifying qualities further enhance its appeal, providing a clean and refreshing environment that Aries can appreciate after a long day. Taurus, the earth lover. Taurus, born between April 20th and May 20th, are known for their grounded, reliable, and sensual nature. They love to indulge in life's pleasures and appreciate beauty in all its forms. As an earth sign, Tauruses are practical, patient, and have a strong connection to the natural world. They value loyalty, stability, and harmony in their relationships, and Taurians find joy in simple pleasures like good food, cozy spaces, and quality time with loved ones. Their determination and persistence enable them to achieve their goals, often leading to success in their endeavors. The perfect match for Taurus, the peace lily, complements their love for nature and tranquility. This elegant houseplant not only purifies the air, but also brings a sense of calm and serenity to any space. Its lush green leaves and graceful white blooms symbolize the beauty and peacefulness that Tauruses cherish. The peace lily's preference for indirect light and moderate watering aligns with Taurus's desire for a balanced and hassle-free lifestyle. Its ability to thrive in a harmonious environment mirrors the values Tauruses hold dear. The peace lily's reputation for being a symbol of peace and serenity makes it an ideal choice for Taurus, enhancing their appreciation for the tranquility and beauty in nature. Gemini, the curious twin. Geminis born between May 21st and June 20th possess a unique duality in their nature, symbolized by their curious twin. As an air sign, Geminis are known for their intellectual curiosity, adaptability, and love for communication and variety. They are quick-witted, sociable, and always eager to explore new ideas and experiences. Geminis thrive in environments that offer mental stimulation and opportunities for interaction. Their inquisitive nature drives them to seek knowledge and engage in lively discussions. The spider plant, also known as Chlorophytum comosum, is the perfect match for Gemini's curious and sociable nature. This delightful houseplant mirrors the duality of Gemini, producing long arching leaves striped with green and white, symbolizing their communication skills and love for variety. Its cascading foliage adds a touch of whimsy and movement to any space, much like a Gemini's ever-changing interests. The spider plant's ease of care and propagation align with the Gemini's adaptable and social nature, making it a favorite among plant parents. As the spider plant produces spinnerets, small plantlets that dangle from the mother plant. It represents the Gemini's love for sharing and spreading knowledge and good vibes. Cancer, the homebody. Cancers, born between June 21st and July 22nd, are known for their deep emotions, nurturing instincts, and love for their home and family. As a water sign, Cancers are highly sensitive, intuitive, and empathetic, often feeling what others feel. They cherish their home environment and seek to create a warm and inviting atmosphere filled with comfort and security. Cancers find solace in familiar routines and traditions, finding strength in the support of their loved ones. The aloe vera plant is the perfect match for Cancer's nurturing and caring nature. This versatile succulent mirrors Cancer's healing touch, as it is renowned for its soothing properties and ability to alleviate skin irritations. Its medical qualities symbolize Cancer's natural instinct to care for the well-being of their loved ones. Like a Cancer, the aloe vera plant thrives in a bright but not harsh environment, requiring minimal fuss and attention while still offering its benefits. Its presence provides a sense of calm and comfort, much like the emotional haven Cancers desire in their homes. The aloe vera plant's ability to store water in its fleshy leaves reflects the nurturing and protective instincts of Cancer, making it a perfect companion for these caring individuals. Leo, the royal fire. Leos, born between July 23rd and August 22nd, are known for their radiant, confident, and generous nature. As a fire sign, Leos are natural performers, always ready to shine and attract attention. They have a warm and magnetic personality that draws people towards them. Leos love to express themselves creatively and take pride in their unique style and flair. Their enthusiastic and passionate nature makes them loyal friends and devoted partners. The sunflower, with its majestic golden blooms and tall stature, is the perfect match for Leo's radiant and attention-seeking nature. This cheerful flower mirrors Leo's love for warmth and brightness, turning its face towards the sun just as Leo seeks to bask in the spotlight. The sunflower's ability to grow to great heights aligns with Leo's desire to excel and make a grand statement. Its seeds and oil also symbolize the nurturing and generous side of Leo, providing sustenance and beauty to those around them. Virgo, the perfectionist. Virgos born between August 23rd and September 22nd are known for their meticulous, analytical, and practical nature. As an earth sign, Virgos are highly organized, detailed. They have a talent for identifying areas for improvement and finding efficient solutions. Virgos are loyal, helpful, and prefer to work behind the scenes rather than seeking the spotlight. The snake plant, also known as mother nose tongue, is the perfect match for Virgo's practical and no-nonsense nature. Its upright, sword-like leaves symbolize Virgo's disciplined and structured approach to life. The plant's ability to survive with minimal fuss and attention aligns with Virgo's desire for order and efficiency. Its air-purifying qualities are a bonus, appealing to Virgo's attention to detail and health consciousness. The snake plant's resilience and hardiness reflect a Virgo's strong and adaptable spirit, making it a reliable companion for these perfectionist individuals. Libra, the harmonizer, born between September 23rd and October 22nd. Librans are known for their charming, diplomatic, and sociable nature. As an air sign, Librans seek harmony, balance, and justice in their relationships and they have a natural talent for making others feel comfortable and valued. Librans are highly aesthetic-minded individuals who appreciate beauty and symmetry. T. Monstera deliciosa, with its large, luscious leaves and climbing habit, is the perfect match for Libra's love for aesthetics and harmony. The plant's ability to grow into a variety of shapes and sizes aligns with Libra's desire for balance and proportion. Its aerial roots represent Libra's need for connection and support in their relationships. The Monstera deliciosa thrives in areas with bright, indirect light, symbolizing Libra's appreciation for beauty and their need for a well-balanced environment. Scorpio, the mystery soul. Scorpios born between October 23rd and November 21st are known for their intense, passionate, and enigmatic nature. As a water sign, Scorpios have a deep emotional connection to those around them and possess a natural ability to heal and transform. They are highly determined and resourceful individuals who fearlessly pursue their goals. Scorpios crave profound connections and value loyalty, trust, and authenticity. The ZZ plant, also known as Samia farfarata, is the perfect match for Scorpio's mysterious and resilient nature. Its dark green, glossy leaves symbolize Scorpio's intensity and enigmatic charm. The plant's ability to thrive in low-light conditions reflects Scorpio's capacity to find depth and meaning, even in challenging situations. Its slow growth and hardiness align with Scorpio's patient and determined approach to achieving their goals. The ZZ plant's air-purifying qualities add to its appeal, symbolizing Scorpio's transformative power to enhance their environment and relationships. Sagittarius, the explorer. Sagittarius, born between November 22nd and December 21st, are known for their adventurous, optimistic, and philosophical nature. As a fire sign, Sagittarians love exploring new horizons and seeking knowledge and wisdom. They are independent, curious, and always open to trying new things. Sagittarians value honesty, freedom, and the pursuit of truth. Lucky bamboo, scientifically known as Dracaena sanderiana, is the perfect match for Sagittarius's adventurous and free-spirited nature. Despite its name, it's not actually bamboo, but a type of Dracaena. Its flexible stems and broad leaves symbolize Sagittarius's adaptability and thirst for growth and learning. Lucky bamboo thrives in various conditions, aligning with Sagittarius's love for exploration and their ability to adapt to different environments. Its reputation for bringing good luck and fortune appeals to Sagittarius's belief in positive energy and their quest for new experiences. Capricorn, the climber. Capricorns born between December 22nd and January 19th are known for their disciplined, ambitious, and responsible nature. As an earth sign, they are practical, patient, and have a strong sense of duty and tradition. Capricorns set high standards for themselves and are relentless in pursuing their goals. They value loyalty, hard work, and recognize the importance of structure and discipline. The jade plant, also known as the good luck plant, is the perfect match for Capricorn's desire for success and good fortune. This succulent mirrors Capricorn's determination and patience as it grows slowly but steadily over time. Its thick, fleshy leaves symbolize Capricorn's ability to thrive even in challenging circumstances. The jade plant's association with wealth and prosperity aligns with Capricorn's drive for financial security and recognition. Its longevity and resilience represent Capricorn's steadfast commitment to their goals, making it an ideal choice for these ambitious individuals. Aquarius, the visionary. Aquarius, born between January 20th and February 18th, are known for their original, independent, and humanitarian nature. As an air sign, they have a unique and unconventional approach to life. Aquarians are intellectual, progressive, and value freedom and equality. They have a deep concern for the welfare of humanity and are passionate about making a positive impact on the world. The air plant, also known as Tillandsia, is the perfect match for Aquarius's unconventional and forward-thinking nature. These unique plants don't require soil to grow, symbolizing Aquarius's unconventional approach to life. Their striking and often unusual appearance aligns with Aquarius's love for originality and creativity. Air plants can be displayed in various artistic ways, allowing Aquarius to express their individuality. Their ability to absorb moisture from the air reflects Aquarius's intuitive and psychic abilities, enabling them to connect with their environment in a profound way. Pisces, the dreamer. Pisces born between February 19th and March 20th are known for their imaginative, compassionate, and intuitive nature. As a water sign, Pisces are highly sensitive and empathetic, often losing themselves in their dreams and fantasies. They have a deep connection to the spiritual realm and possess a natural artistic flair. Pisces value kindness, imagination, and seek harmony in their relationships. The fern is the perfect match for Pisces' dreamy and romantic nature. Its lush green fronds create a sense of tranquility and escape, mirroring the imaginative world of Pisces. Ferns thrive in gentle, moist environments, symbolizing Pisces' need for emotional depth and sensitivity. Different types of ferns, such as the Boston fern, add a touch of old-world charm and elegance, appealing to Pisces' love for beauty and sophistication. Their presence evokes a sense of peace and relaxation, allowing Pisces to unwind and recharge in their own little oasis. Well, that's a wrap, my fellow plant enthusiasts. Which Zodiac signs plant vibe resonates. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel and share this video with your family and friends. Like this video and comment your thoughts below. Thank you.